Aiden. Welcome to the review and giveaway channel.com.
Today we're reviewing Scoreboard Hotel. Let us show you the room.
Okay. So, alright, give them a quick look at their room, which is one of the better rooms.
Yep.
Start here.
Oh yeah, we changed hotels.
We changed hotels, yeah.
Yeah, here's the lounge shower stores.
There's
Yep.
a lot of candy that I got in trouble.
Alright, so what do we got over here?
When we came to the room, this was already there.
Yeah, it's like a lot of artwork here. Like I think it's like Balinese or Thailand style. We're in the Philippines, so everyone knows. What's that? We got water.
Yeah, my dad bought an extra water because he didn't see that.
Yeah, exactly. Because but we got a microwave now, not like the other one. We got fridges. We got cooktops. We got sinks.
Now we can have cooking. Now.
Yeah, it's all plates and stuff in here, cooking stuff.
We got a money box.
Oh, we got money. What's this? Yeah, we got a sit-down area where we can eat. Okay. Keep on going. What else do we have?
This is my dad's camera bag.
Oh, don't worry about that. Just talk about the room.
This comes here. And look.
This is our toilet.
Look closely.
More up the top there.
Also come
Oh,
here.
we've moved a few things so we
there's
can
a
fit our own
present
stuff
up there.
down.
There's a
Oh,
present
yeah,
up
yeah.
there.
Sanders brought it here a bit early.
Also look.
Yeah.
What?
That's our bathroom and a shower.
Yeah, bathroom, shower.
There's a hose
Quite
in
nice-ish. Not super great, but it's better than the last one.
There's a hose in this.
Yeah. This is, for anyone who doesn't know where these are, absolutely awesome. But for a clean-up,
Dad, can I spray it? Can I spray it?
No. Okay, quickly. Ah, no, I'm not clothes. We're trying to dry. Alright, outside.
That's funny. That dude's out in slow motion.
Also, this is our comfy bed.
Yeah, we've got a king-size bed. That's why I got this room, because this is our hotel. You don't really get 2-bedroom hotels, so
It's just a room
because
with
you
one
guys basically crash my bed all the time. Well, I just got a king size because we can deal with it. Which
There's only one bed in here.
yeah, we got
This to put our stuff on.
yeah, you got
Here's our
stuff
clothes.
here.
Here.
Clothes all in there.
And here's
Got safe over here. All our clothes. TV set. It's quite nice. This hotel costs got 2 air cons. This hotel costs it's costing us currently 3,800 peso a night.
Guess what? Last night and the other day before, we were trying to figure out how to turn off these 2 lights.
Yeah, we couldn't find the light switches
Except
yet.
I found it under the TV.
So anyway, it costs 3,800 a night, but we get a 15% discount because 10% for cash and 5% for staying more than 7 days because we're here for around about 2 weeks. Okay, so let's show them outside. Yeah, because outside, what's happening outside? One thing we really like about this hotel is what?
The
party.
Right, the pool.
And all you can eat.
Yeah, all you can eat twice a week for about just over $10 for me and $5 for you, and you can eat as much as you want. There's about 20 or 30 different plates down there of food.
And here's a big mirror in our room.
Big mirror. Okay, but the other thing, your foosball, all right, the football, your foosball, right?
Yeah.
You got we got an area where we can do more water balloon fights. There's a projector that plays movies every night. Aiden.
Yeah.
All right, sit over there. What else? There's a projector. What else?
Let me think.
The pool's big at night, and you can jump high into it, right?
Except I could just stand up on the pool.
Yeah.
Me too.
Not that deep.
Yeah. Well, the other thing is, close to here, lots of food. There's lots of restaurants. There's mini stops. There's 7-Elevens. We can rent cars. We can get haircuts. We can go shopping. There's movie theaters, and it's all within 5 to 10 minute walk or 5 minute taxi.
Except we don't actually have a car.
Yeah, well, you're hired. Around here, there's trikes, right? So you go on a trike.
Yeah.
There's no real taxis around here. All right, let's quickly show them outside. All right. Balloon, yeah. upstairs there?
Up there. Can we go up there? Let's go.
It's a penthouse.
Plants here.
Barbecues, that's nice.
Also the chair. Yeah, this is the weird chair, right?
Yeah. The key, right? The key. Start playing.
It's a little soccer game.
Start playing, please.
What?
Start playing.
Alright.
Start playing. Start.
Raina, you can't do that.
Not open yet?
Like the place called All You Can Eat.
Yeah.
Some people like
Right.
Oh, the soup is still here.
Alright, tell us what's this place?
The plot you can get any food you want.
Any food you want, but it's not out yet, right?
There's some soup over there.
And this is where the sushi was, but
Spaghettis and breads.
Oh look,
this is the dessert.
Desserts that's coming.
look at
In
it.
there, bud. What's that one? Ah, bread and butter pudding. Put that down. Yeah.
Oh look, there's some bread.
Okay, so we're in the elevator. What do you think of this hotel?
Right. I just
Get back there, look at the camera.
I sometimes wish the pool was deeper for him to like swim.
Yeah. But this is a good hotel. We really like this hotel, right?
Yeah.
So we stayed here like 5, 6 times, right? We've been here
Yeah.
a few times. Yeah. Well, good thing is it's a normal hotel, and we'll. Okay, so first thing. Aiden's been wanting to look like a vampire the whole thing, so that's why he's started doing what he's doing. So he obviously wants to be seen. Probably too fuzzy at that thing, but okay. So what the people need to know is we're staying in one of the not the penthouse, but the second nice. This is the only room with a king size bed. All right. We're getting 15% off because we pay cash. Just wait, bud. Wait. And we're paying about $3,800. There's rooms here I think as low as like 2,000 pesos. So $3,800 is about $110 a night is what we're paying here, which is quite good. It's quite good. And that's pretty much it, boys. So we're going to give this place a big thumbs up, right?
Yep.
And we recommend this place. It has everything we need. And let's go swimming.
Yep.
All right. Bye-bye, guys. Bye.
Bye. Thumbs up. and subscribe.
If you want to see our latest video, click here.
If you want to see our other video, click here. If you want to subscribe, click here.
No, here.
No, here. If you want to win stuff, click here.
Okay, gotcha. All right, that's it, boys. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thumbs up, and subscribe.
Subscribe. And win stuff, right?
And
Yeah,
don't
you'll
forget
get
I'm
a free
vampire.
Bitcoin, right?
Yeah, get a free Bitcoin.